everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to download Hdfc mobile banking application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Tap open your Play Store and go to the search box at the top. Type in HDFC Bank and search. You'll be able to find the application, which looks like this at the top of the screen. Simply tap it on and you'll be able to view further information about the app. With your HDFC mobile banking application installed on your Android device or your iPhone, you can easily manage your account on the go, make your payments, recharge, transfer your funds, and much more right from your mobile devices. Tap the install button in order to begin with the downloading process. Wait until your application gets downloaded on your Android. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Always be sure to be connected to a strong internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once the application gets downloaded and is ready for use, tap on the open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Hdfc mobile banking application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.